Good morning, students. Now come to the class 11. In the last 10 classes, we are discussing regarding the trigonometric functions. This is the class 11th. So in the previous class, we have discussed the one of the allied angle 90 degree minus theta. Now let us see, there are 9 allied angles are there. 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 degree plus theta, 270 degree minus theta, 270 degree plus theta, 360 degree minus theta, 360 degree plus theta, and minus of theta. So these are the 9 allied angles. In the previous class we have discussed regarding the allied angles. In that 90 degree minus theta we have discussed 90 degree. Now we have to discuss the remaining allied angles, and in terms of radians also we take 90 pi by 2 minus theta. This is already discussed. Now we have to discuss 9 pi by 2 plus theta, pi minus of theta, pi minus theta, pi plus theta. 270 is written as in terms of radian 3 pi by 2 minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 2 pi minus theta, 360 minus theta as 2 pi minus theta, and 2 pi plus theta. So, and this along with this minus of theta. So we will discuss regarding the trigonometric functions of all these allied angles. Already this one we have discussed. It is in terms of 90 minus theta, and it is in terms of radians pi by 2 minus theta. We have discussed. Some angles we will discuss in terms of degrees, and some we will take in terms of radians also. Let us see the next 90 degree plus theta. See, before going to these allied angles, here I will place their positions of the allied angles. Students, you know, a Cartesian plane is divided into 4 equal parts. 90 degree minus theta is in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. 90 degree minus theta, the terminal side of the 90 degree minus theta fall in the first quadrant. 90 plus theta fall in the second quadrant. 90 plus fall in the second quadrant. 180 minus theta again in the second quadrant. 180 plus theta, after 180 plus theta, where theta is an acute angle, where theta is an acute angle. In terms of standard angles here we are converting. So 180 plus theta, 270 degree minus theta, 270 plus theta is in the fourth quadrant. 360 minus theta, third quadrant. 360 plus whatever it may be, after one complete revolution, 360 plus theta, it is in the fourth quadrant. So these are the 8 allied angles. One more, that minus theta. So negative angle is taken as a clockwise direction, so it falls in the fourth quadrant, whatever the negative angle. So if you are measuring negative angle, so it is fall in the fourth quadrant, minus of theta. So these are the 9 allied angles we should discuss. Already this 90 degree minus theta, here we are already discussed 90 degree minus theta. Let us will discuss remaining all the allied angles. Now come to the second one, trigonometric functions of 90 degree plus theta in terms of theta, 90 degree plus theta in terms of theta. So let us will discuss whatever the allied angles in terms of theta, in terms of standard angles. You know, before going to discuss, when the odd multiples of pi by 2s, the trigonometric functions are changes, either plus or minus. Odd multiple means 1 into 90 degree plus or minus theta, 3 into 90 degree plus or minus theta, like that. When the odd multiples of pi by 2s or 90s, the trigonometric functions are changes to their co-functions, changes by their co-functions. When even multiples of trigonometry functions are remain same when 2 times of 90 degree plus or minus theta. So 2 times of 90 degree means what it becomes? 180 degree plus or minus theta. 4 times of 90 degree plus or minus theta. So it becomes 360 degree plus or minus theta. At this time the trigonometry functions are remain same. In this time the trigonometry functions are, when these angles, the trigonometry functions are changes. Now let us come to the next one, 90 degree plus theta. Sine of 90 plus theta. So sine changes to cos, sine changes to cos, changed by their co-functions, changes by their co-functions. The trigonometry functions are changes by their co-functions. Sine 90 plus theta changes to cos theta, cos 90 plus theta changes to sine theta. So which quadrant angle is it? 90 plus theta, second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos 90 plus theta, is it positive or negative? Negative it is. So therefore negative sign. But this is positive. We are taken positive because sine 90 plus theta, second quadrant. You know, in the second quadrant, so only sine and cosec are positive, remaining are negative. So according to this ASTC rule, according to the sign of the trigonometry functions, as you have studied sign of the trigonometry function, according to this ASTC rule, here you know very well all the trigonometry functions are positive. When these angles are calculating, you don't bother about the sign. Here all the functions are positive. When you are calculating about the second quadrant angles are, these are the two angles are second quadrant angles. Here when you are writing these two angles about the trigonometry functions, you should write positives only, sine and cosec. For the remaining functions you should write negatives. So 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. So fall in the third quadrant. When you are writing these two angles about these two angles of the trigonometry functions, you should write the positive for only tan and cot, remaining are the negatives. So like that similarly, so for these two and this plus 1, that negative angle, for these three angles only cos and sec are positive, you should write for the remaining negatives. So this is about the cos 90 plus theta. Now see, tan of 90 degree plus theta changes to cot theta. So this is also negative, tan it is, only sine and cosec are positives. Cot of 90 degree plus theta changes to cot to tan, tan to cot, their co-functions, sine and cosine are co-functions, sine theta and cosecant theta are co-functions. So you know, sine, cosine, tangent, we are already discussed here, cotangent, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. Yes, these are the co-functions. Sine and cosine are co-function, tangent and cotangent are co-functions, and also you know these two are reciprocals to each other also. Secant and cosecant are co-functions. What type of the changes here, the functions? When the allied angles, when the odd multiples of pi by 2, whatever it may be, odd multiples of pi by 2, 1 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 90 in the mentions pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. When you are converting in this type of angles, the trigonometry functions are changes. What type of changes? This type of changes. They are changed by their co-functions. So this is cot of 90 plus theta. Now see, sine cos, tan cot, this is also negative. Yes, negative, this is also. Only sine and cosec are positives. This is the second quadrant angle. The next, sec of 90 plus theta changes to cosecant theta. It is negative. Cosecant of 90 plus theta changes to sec theta. This is only the positive here. See the students. So 90 degree plus theta, which quadrant it is? Second quadrant angle. In the second quadrant, what are positive? Sine and cosec are positive. See here, the only sine of 90 plus theta value is positive and cosecant of 90 plus theta value is positive. Remaining all the trigonometric functions are negative. Remaining are the negative functions. So therefore, this is about the trigonometric functions of 90 degree plus theta. This is about the trigonometric functions of the 90 degree plus theta. So similarly, here we are writing the 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta. Similarly, you are writing the remaining allied angles also. Remember, when the trigonometric functions are, when it changes, odd multiples of angles. When you are writing the odd multiples of pi by 2, that is 1 pi by 2 plus or minus either positive or negative. So 3 times of pi by 2 plus or minus, either it is positive or negative, and 5 times of pi by 2 plus or minus theta. When this the type you are converting the angles, at the time the trigonometric functions are changes. At the time of C, 2 times of pi by 2 plus or minus theta, either positive or negative. So 2 times. So see what it becomes? It becomes a pi plus or minus theta. Then what is this pi plus or minus theta? Means it is 180 degree plus or minus theta. So for this student, you have a separate theorems are there. You don't have the theorems for this first PUC syllabus. Let us will take directly these allied angles. You should remember directly these values. Let us I will come to know afterwards how to remember all these all the 9 allied angles, how to remember also. Let us I will give one note. So according to that 2 notes are there. According to that 2 note, you may write all the allied angles. Now let us come to the next one. Trigonometric functions of trigonometric functions of 180 degree minus theta in terms of theta. Next angle is in terms of theta. So this is odd multiple of pi by 2 or even multiple of pi by 2, it comes this angle. So this comes even multiple of pi by 2 angle, it is 180 plus or minus theta. So you should know where the time the trigonometric functions are remain same. You should write same function. Sin 180 minus theta becomes cos theta. Yes, second quadrant 180 minus theta fall in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin and cosec are positive. This is also positive. Cos 180 minus theta, sorry, it is only sin theta, no changes. Sin theta only. Cos 180 minus theta, cos theta, no changes. The function is no changes. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos negative. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. Tan 180 minus theta, changes, no changes. This is what? Even multiple of pi by 2 angle it is. Even multiple of pi by 2 angle. Tan is negative in the second quadrant, positive in the third quadrant. This is the second quadrant angle. Cot 180 minus theta, the function same it is. Cot also negative in the second quadrant, negative. The next, sec of 180 minus theta, no changes, the functions remain same, but negative it is. And the last one is cosecant 180 degree minus theta. It is only cosecant theta, no changes, and also positive also because of second quadrant angle it is. In the second quadrant, these two are positive angles. These two functions are positive, sin and cosec are positives, remaining all the trigonometric functions are negative values. So this is about the 180 degree minus theta, 180 degree minus of theta. You may write in terms of radians also. You may write in terms of radians also. See, sin of pi minus theta, sin theta, positive, pi minus theta, it is in the second quadrant. Cos of pi minus theta, cos theta but negative, cos is negative in the second quadrant. Tan of pi minus theta, tan theta no changes but negative. Cot of pi minus theta, cot of pi minus theta, cot theta This is also negative. Cot of pi minus theta, this is also negative. Then sec of pi minus theta, sec theta, this is also negative. Only sine and cosec are positive. Cosecant of pi minus theta, this is plus cosecant theta. Because of second quadrant angle, it is pi minus theta. So these two are positives. Sine and cosec are positive. Remaining all the functions are negative. Remaining all the functions are negative. So this is about the 180 degree minus theta. Similarly, we will calculate the remaining allied angles also. Similarly, we will calculate the remaining angles also. Now, let us see the remaining trigonometric functions of 180 plus theta. Trigonometric functions of of 180 degree plus theta in terms of theta. In terms of theta, converting in terms of theta. Theta means in terms of knowing angle converting, in terms of standard angle converting. Trigonometric functions of 180 plus theta in terms of theta. 180 degree plus theta, pi plus theta, it may call pi plus theta also, same it is. Yes, both the angles are same. 180, it is in terms of degree and it is in terms of a radian. You may write in terms of degree and in terms of radian also. While giving in the examples, he may give both in the both the forms, either radian or degree also. Now see, sine of 180 plus theta, no changes. Which quadrant angle it is? 180 plus theta, third quadrant angle it is. In the third quadrant, what are positive? Tan and cot are positive, remaining functions are negative. It is a sine. Is it a negative? Yes, it is a negative. Sine of 180 plus theta, it is minus of sine theta. So here I am repeatedly reminding, when the odd multiples of pi by 2, the trigonometric functions are changes. Odd multiples of pi by 2, 1 times, odd means 1 times, 3 times, 5 times of the pi by 2s, the trigonometric functions are changes. It is comes under the even multiple of pi by 2. See how it is even multiple of pi by 2. 2 times, even means 2 times, 4 times, 2 times, 4 times, 6 times. It is even multiples of pi by 2. So what it becomes? See, this 2 and 2 get cancelled. Is it becomes a pi plus or minus theta only? So 1, 2, 2. This is a 2 pi plus or minus theta. 2 pi plus or minus theta. So this is what? 3 pi. So it becomes 3 pi plus or minus theta. When this type of, we are converting the allied angles, the functions remain same here. The functions are writing same. Then cos 180 plus theta, no changes. Cos in the third quadrant, cos negative. Negativities in the third quadrant. Tan 180 plus theta, tan it is third quadrant positive, cot also positive, cot also positive it is, tan and cot are only positive in the third quadrant angle it is. Sec 180 plus theta changes to cosecant theta, sorry, no changes, sec theta only, it is also negative. Tan and cot are positives, remaining all are negative. Cosec 180 plus theta, no changes, cosecant theta only, and this is also negative. See the students, 180 plus theta, which angle it is? 180 plus theta, what is the position of that angle? Third quadrant. In the third quadrant, what are positive? Tan and cot are positive. See here, tan and cot values are positives. Remaining all the trigonometric functions are negative. So this is about the 180 plus theta. Just we have discussed 180 minus theta. This is 180 plus theta. So you may write in terms of radians also. You may write in terms of radians also. See the in terms of radians also. Sin pi plus theta sin theta, negative it is because of third quadrant, pi plus theta. Cos pi plus theta, this is minus cos theta. Tan pi plus theta, it is plus tan theta. Same, both the angles are same. Cot pi plus theta, it is plus cot theta. Sec pi plus theta, it is minus sec theta because of sec, cosec, sin, cos are negatives. In the third quadrant, only tan and cot are positive. Cosec pi plus theta, it is a minus cosec theta. But only the function is remains same. The function is remains same. Now next come to the next angle is 270 minus theta. We should discuss all the functions here. You should know 270 minus theta. Now see the trigonometric functions of 270 degree minus theta. Trigonometric functions of 270 minus theta in terms of theta. Trigonometric functions of 270 minus theta in terms of theta. See the students, 270 degree minus theta. So convert in terms of a radian also. You should know the radian angle also. 270 shall I write? 3 pi by 2 minus theta, you know. 270, conversion of 270 in terms of radian multiplying by pi by 180. Yes, multiplying by pi by 180. So this 0 0 get cancelled. Yes, see 270 degree here. 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27. Is it a 3 pi by 2? Yes, 270 can be taken as a 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Is it a 3 pi by 2? Yes. Now let us see. So is it a odd multiple angle or pi even multiple of angle it is? Yes, it is a odd multiple of pi by 2 it is. Yes, odd multiples of pi by 2 it is. Plus or minus both here, odd multiple of pi by 2. So now the function what it is? Changes. Yes, the function is changes. That only you have to you should take the sign according to with respect to the position of that particular angle here. See, sine of 270 degree minus theta, the function is changes. Which quadrant angle it is? 270 minus theta, third quadrant angle. So sine positive or negative? Sine is negative. Yes. Cos 270 minus theta changes to sine theta. Cos also negative in the third quadrant it is. Third quadrant angle. The next. Tan 270 minus theta changes to cot. What about cot? Tan and cot, yes, positive. Tan and cot are positive in the third quadrant. Positive value it is. Cot 270 minus theta. Cot changes to tan. Tan changes to cot. These two are positive because of third quadrant. Sec 270 minus theta. Sec changes to cosec. It is positive or negative? Negative it is sec. Cosec 270 degree. Cosecant of 270 degree minus theta. Cosecant changes to sec theta. It is also negative. See third quadrant angle here. Third quadrant angle. These two are only positives. Remaining are negative angles. Tan and cot are positives. Remaining are negative angles. So this is what? 270 degree minus theta. 270 degree minus theta. Now let us come to the after 270 minus theta, come to the 270 plus theta in terms of, you may write in terms of radians also same. Here I will write just radians. Sine 3 pi by 2 minus theta changes to cos, negative it is. Cos 3 pi by 2 minus theta changes to sine, this is also negative. tan 3 pi by 2 minus theta, this also changes but positive it is. Cot 3 pi by 2 minus theta changes to tan positive. Sec 3 pi by 2 minus theta changes to cosecant theta, negative it is. Cosecant of 3 pi by 2 changes to sec theta, this is also negative. Only tan and cot values are positive. So this is about the 270 minus theta, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 minus of theta. Now next come to the 270 plus theta. Trigonometric functions of 270 degree plus theta. Trigonometric functions of trigonometric functions of 270 degree plus theta in terms of theta. Let us say 270 plus theta. Which quadrant it is? 270 plus fourth quadrant. The position of this angle is fourth quadrant. So in terms of radian, shall I write 3 pi by 2 plus theta? Just we have converted 270 degree. So it is 3 pi by 2 plus theta. In terms of radian it is. In terms of the radian. Now see the student. So is it odd multiple of pi by 2 or even multiple of pi by 2? Yes. It is a even multiple of pi by 2, student. Yes. Is it even multiple of pi by 2? So is it changes are same? Changes, the functions are changes. What type of changes you know? Changes by their coterminal functions. So sine 270 degree plus theta, sine of 270 degree plus theta, cos theta. Which quadrant it is? Fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sine positive or negative? Negative. Cos 270 plus theta changes to sine theta, changed by their cofunction. Is it cos positive or negative in the fourth quadrant? It is a fourth quadrant angle. Yes. Cos and sec are positive, remaining are negative. It is a positive function. Tan 270 plus theta changes to cot theta. This is also negative. Cot 270 plus theta changes to tan. Cot also negative. Only cos and sec are positive. Yes. Come to sec. Sec 270 plus theta changes the function here. About the angle it changes. The functions are changes. About the positives and negatives, only cos and sec are positives. Remaining are negatives. So cosecant 270 plus theta changes to sec theta, but it is negative. Only these two functions having the values of these two functions only positive. Remaining all the functions are negative. Yes, only cos and sec have the positive values and remaining negative. Because of this angle is fourth quadrant angle. In the fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive, remaining are negatives. So these two values are positives, remaining have the negative values. Now let us come to the 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta, and then minus theta also. Now 360 minus theta, trigonometric functions of 360 degree minus theta. Trigonometric functions of 360 degree minus theta in terms of theta. Trigonometric functions of 360 degree minus theta in terms of theta. So 360 minus theta, see the student, 360 minus theta in terms of radian. Let us convert 360 degree. You know degree to radian multiply by pi by 180. 18 2 ja. So how much it becomes? 2 pi. Shall I write it as a 2 pi minus theta in terms of radian? You should write in terms of radian 2 pi minus theta. So this is about the conversion of degree to radian. It is in terms of a radian. It is in terms of a radian here. So now come to the, is it a even multiple of pi by 2 or odd multiple of pi by 2 angle it is? Let us see. 1 pi by 2 plus or minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus or minus theta, just we have discussed. 5 pi by 2 plus or minus theta. So these are odd multiples of pi by 2. Let us here I will go for the even multiple of pi by 2. So this is 2 pi by 2 times of pi by 2 plus or minus theta, 4 times of pi by 2 plus or minus theta, 6 times of pi by 2 plus or minus theta. See, so you simplify this one here, how much it becomes? Is it becomes a 2 pi plus or minus theta. So this is what? So even multiple of pi by 2, you should remember this is only the thing. When the angles are odd multiples of pi by 2, the trigonometric functions are changes. When the angles are even multiples of pi by 2, so the trigonometric functions are remain same. Converting in terms of theta, the trigonometric functions are remain same. Now let us see this one. Sine of 360 minus theta, the function is no changes. Which quadrant angle it is? 360 minus theta. Fourth quadrant angle it is 360 degree minus theta. It is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, what are positive? Cos and sec are positive. Remaining all are negative. The function is no changes, but it is negative. Cos 360 minus theta. Cos theta only. It is also positive because of the cos and sec are positive. It is tan 360 minus theta, the function same but negative. Cot 360 degree minus theta, the function no changes, remains same, but in the fourth quadrant cot also negative. Sec 360 degree minus theta, sec theta, it is positive, cos and sec are positives, remaining are negative. Cosecant 360 minus theta, cosecant of 360 minus theta, cosecant theta. So this is also negative. See the student, the which quadrant angle it is? 360 minus theta, which quadrant angle it is? So it is the fourth quadrant angle it is. In the fourth quadrant, what should be positive? Cos and sec should be positive. See here, only cos and sec values have the positive here. Remaining here you are getting negative values, negativities. So this is about the 360 minus theta. This is about the 360 minus theta. Let us see. In terms of radian, sine 2 pi minus theta minus sine theta, because of fourth quadrant positive. In the fourth quadrant sine is because of fourth quadrant the sine is negative, the function is remains same. Cos 2 pi minus theta plus cos theta, plus of cos theta, the function same because of the fourth quadrant cos positive. Tan 2 pi minus theta minus tan theta, minus of tan theta. Cot 2 pi minus theta minus cot theta. Sec 2 pi minus theta, it is plus sec theta. Cosecant of 2 pi minus theta, it is minus cosecant theta. So this is in terms of radians, it is in terms of degrees, radian and as well as degrees, radian and as well as degrees. So this is about the 360 minus theta. Now let us come to the 360 plus theta, the 360 degree plus theta. See the 360 degree plus theta, 360 degree plus theta. Here I will write directly the trigonometric functions of 360 plus theta in terms of theta. Yes, 360 plus theta. Shall I write in terms of radian? 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi plus of theta. Now see the student. So this is even multiple of pi by 2 angle. Just you have seen even multiple of pi by 2 angle. The functions are remain same. 360 plus theta. No changes. Which quadrant it is? First quadrant. Which quadrant angle it is? First quadrant. All are positive. All the functions are positive. No changes. Cos of 360 plus theta. Cos theta. Tan of 360 plus theta. It is tan theta. And cot of 360 plus theta. It is cot theta. Sec of 360 plus theta. Sec theta. Cosec of 360 plus theta. Cosecant theta. Which quadrant angle it is? First quadrant angle. All the trigonometric functions are positive. All the trigonometric functions are positive. See the students here. It is diagrammatically this one. Let it rotate in angle theta. Yes. It is a theta. Now if you want to draw, take 360 plus theta. See, 360 plus theta, the terminal side of the both the angles is same. Yes, the terminal side of the both the angles is same. So let us take the triangle, calculate 360 plus theta in terms of theta. You will get the same values. You will get the same values. Is it clear, all of you? So this is the terminal side of the theta and the terminal side of the 360. See, the theta and 360 plus theta, the terminal side of the both the angles having same. The terminal side of the both the angles is same. Yes, the OP is the terminal side of both the angles. Which one? Theta and 360 theta and 360 degree plus theta. So such angles are called as co-terminal angles. The terminal side of the both the angles is same, co-terminal. So therefore they have the same values, no changes. They have the no changes. According to the theorems, according to the results, they have the same values. Now this is what? 360 plus theta. Now let us come to the trigonometric functions of that last remaining is minus theta. Trigonometric functions of minus theta. Trigonometric functions of minus theta in terms of theta. Same it is. Minus theta in terms of theta. See diagrammatically. Only the equal in magnitude, opposite in the direction as like that. So the same, but the negative angle, it is in the fourth quadrant, clockwise. See, sine of minus theta, no changes it is. Why I have written a negative sign? It is in the fall in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sine is negative. Sine of minus theta. Cos of minus theta. Cos positive or negative? Positive it is. Cos positive it is same it is. The angle is, the terminal side is only the same, but that is clockwise direction and it is anti-clockwise direction. Tan of minus theta. Minus tan theta. Cot of minus theta. Minus cot theta. Sec of minus theta. Plus or minus? Plus. Cos and sec have the positive in the fourth quadrant. Which quadrant it is? Fourth quadrant. Negative angle means the terminal side of this angle is fall in the fourth quadrant. This is in the first quadrant. Cosecant of minus theta, it is a minus cosecant theta. So this is about the negative angle. Sine of minus theta is a minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is a plus cos theta. The function does not changes, only the positive and negative here. This is hypotenuse it is. So positive and negative, anti-clockwise direction, clockwise direction. There the opposite side having the same here, but opposite is positive here, but this is a negative. With respect of that negative, so only these four functions have the negative, remaining are the positives. Because of the fourth quadrant, only cos and sec should be positive, remaining are the negative angles. So this is about the trigonometric functions of minus theta. Now let us see the students how to remember all these 9 allied angles. You should remember all these 9 allied angles. Let us see the 3 points are there. You should remember the 3 points. It is enough to write all the angles. Let us first, I will write all the allied angles here. All the allied angles. We have studied all these allied angles. These 9 allied angles we have studied, and this minus of theta. These 9 allied angles. Let us see how to remember all these 9 allied angles. Note 1. When the angles are 90 degree plus or minus theta and 270 degree plus or minus theta, when the angles are 90 degree plus or minus theta, 270 degree plus or minus theta, the trigonometric functions are changes. Yes, the trigonometric functions are changes. That is, what type of changes? Sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, sec changes to cosec, cosec changes to sec. Remember, when these two angles, when the trigonometric functions of 90 degree plus or minus theta, 270 degree plus or minus theta, the trigonometric functions are changes. Now come to the note 2. Come to the note 2. See the note 2. When the angles are 180 degree plus or minus theta and 360 degree plus or minus theta, the trigonometric functions remains same. Yes, what type of same it is? If it is sine, sine. If it is cos, cos. If it is a tan, tan. If it is a cot, cot. And etc. Like that. When these two types of angles, 180 degree plus or minus theta, 360 degree plus or minus. This is the point number 2. What is the note number 1? When the angles are 90 degree plus or minus theta and 270 degree plus or minus theta, the trigonometric functions are changes. Note number 2, when the angles are 180 degree plus or minus theta, 360 degree plus or minus theta, along with that, and also along with that, minus theta also, the trigonometric functions are remains same. So along with this, you need plus sign, minus sign, positive and negative sign you need. Let us see plus minus. Note 3, that is positive sign, positive and negative sign is taken according to the ASTC rule. According to the positive negative sign is taken according to the ASTC rule, that is all positive in the first quadrant, only sine and cos are positive in the second quadrant, tan and cot are positive in the third quadrant, cos and sec are positive in the fourth quadrant. ASTC rule, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. If you remember these 3 notes, then you may write all the allied angles. In the tomorrow's class, we will make all the allied angles table at a time. We will take all the allied angles in one table. Let us, you will come to know. You will come to know all the allied angles. Okay, so the student, today's class, I conclude the today's class. Thank you.